Let's do this with the pen tool. What we want to do is select this $100 bill and mask it out so that it's on a transparent background. So first of all, we need to get our pen tool. Its shortcut key is P. And then we want to make sure that in the options bar we have chosen path. And over here on path operations, we want to make sure that we've chosen combined shapes. And it's nice to have this auto add or delete turned on. That works really well. Now to do pen tool work, you should zoom in quite close. So I'm going to get my zoom tool and we'll just get right up here at this corner. Go back to my pen tool and you'll notice that with the little asterisk by the pen, that means I'm about to start a new path and place it at my first anchor point. So that's what I'll do. I'm going to click about right there. I can always press the space bar and turn it into a hand key if I need to. And right now I'm just clicking, but this has a little bit of a curve to it, so I'm going to pull, and I'm holding my command key down. I'm going to click on that one and then just use my right arrow key to tap it into place. And I'm going to hold my command key down and click on that one so it's selected. And one of the things that I like to do is I don't like having to deal with the forward handle. So if I get my option key down, you'll notice that it turns into a little caret tool. I'm going to click with my option alt key on a PC. Now we have a curve, so I'm going to click over here and drag out. And I'm going to scroll just a little bit. And as I mentioned, I don't like having to deal with this forward handle. It's not going in the direction that I want it to go. So I'm going to hold my option or alt key down and click on that. And then I'm going to do my next one, hold my option key down and click. Next one, scrolling around. Looks like there's just a little bend to that one. Hold my option key down and click. So you see it's quite easy to do. I'm going to move that one into place a little bit better. Hold my option key down and pull that. And then I'm just basically clicking my way around. Drag that little curve out. Just click my way through here. I'm just about done. I'm going to press my space bar, get my hand tool. I'm on the final stretch here. And I'll close that path. Zoom out by pressing Command or Control 0. And so you can see where I've put my anchor points. Now if I come over to my Paths menu, I want to save this path so I don't lose it. I'll just call it Money. And I will hold my Command or Control key down and click on that thumbnail. That turns it into a selection. Now I'll go over to my Layers palette and add a mask. There we have it. I will save this as a Photoshop file, and I'll call it money.psd.